wants to turn it himself. Okay, turn. Oh.
The first time he
Climb back
fell. Wonder if he can do it. I feel like it's not heavy enough. It's going to tip. Oh my goodness, it didn't. Well, you're just going to get to be a pro at this.
Boy? Yeah? You doing it?
Uh-oh.
You're getting a little tired.
Well, he has been playing a long time. Yeah, don't crash your head into there.
Okay.
He's like, oh, I think I'll just go over there.
Come on. Hey.